Did you know that there are actually timepieces hidden in the nature all around us? You might have been counting the 3 rings when you were a child, and later in the video you're gonna find out why coral, this beautiful colorful stuff that we're breaking down because of the acidic ocean, shows us that days used to be 22 hours instead of 24. This book is The Universe Within, and the goal of this book is to connect you to the greater universe in a very scientific way. And the first example of this is that when you eat an apple, the electrons inside of this apple have come from the groundwater and the minerals in the ground, and these have been circulating around the earth forever, and they already existed way before the earth itself or even the solar system that we live in existed. They already existed before that, and they are just in your hand when you're eating an apple. You're ingesting them, and just this scientific idea is already a way to show that you're made out of stardust. Another example of this is that just like fish and amphibians we share our spine with, there are actually amino acids on Jupiter that we have circulating in our body as well. And there are suns light years away from you that just contain carbon and oxygen like we have in our bodies. So it's just like the backbone that we share with fish. We share carbon or amino acids with other planets and things far away from us. And just in the same way as that we can look at your DNA to see if you are aging, we can also look at parts of the earth to see how it has been aging. And this is when the coral comes in. So coral under the ocean grows faster when there's light. And during the summer, the daylight is longer. So these little layers are also longer. So current day coral, they can see the cycle between thick and thin layers takes 365 little layers or 365 days. And what they found was that 400 million years ago, when they look at the fossils of coral, what takes 365 days now, so one rotation around the sun, we have like 365 little rotations of the earth. And in this period of time, coral created 400 layers 400 million years ago. So what this means is that what we now call 365 days is actually very arbitrary, because the time that it takes for the Earth to travel around the sun used to be 400 days. So the Earth was spinning 400 little rotations before it reached the same spot around the sun. So I think this is quite a mind-bending idea that what we almost count as facts, like a year is 365 days, even this is totally arbitrary on a universal scale. And in the next video I will be talking more about all the things that we as a culture imagine that you have to get rid of to actually get a clear view of reality. So I will see you in the next video.